What up, guys? It's me again, and today I have something special. It's a fidget spinner, but I'm not gonna open the case. My brother has the same one, and here it goes. It's a fidget, and I could do tricks. I could do the nose and all of that. I could do the other hand, the table too. Spin it. Oh, Oscar. Okay, spin it. And I'm gonna introduce my brother, Oscar. Oscar, they can't see your face. No, we can. Yeah. And guys, look, turn off the lights, Oscar. They're gonna see something cool. Oh, you guys can't see it, but it's glow in the dark. And turn the lights back on, Oscar, please. They can't see it. So yeah, it glows in the dark. And I got these guys at 7-Eleven. And thank you for my dad. He got them for me. The Tooth Fairy Man, yeah. That's the guy. And yeah, this is almost all the tricks. Cameraman, call this for me. Just look at the table. I'm gonna do something dumb. Okay, guys, look. Oh. I'm gonna do the neck. Doing the finger. See, puppy. Nothing. Okay. We have to go to sleep. Well, bye, guys. And thank you very much, and peace.